my beloved students. I am continuing my previous session regarding lines and angles. Now today I will discuss about two theorems. One is sum of three angles is equal to sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Another is the exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of its two remote interior angle. These two theorems first I will discuss, then I will do the exercise. First of all, I am doing this theorem. If the side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle formed is equal to sum of the two remote opposite angles. Now you see this ABC is a triangle. Its interior angle are angle A, angle B, and angle C. These are the interior angles. Now, if I produce the side BC to D, the exterior angle ACD is formed. ACD. I will prove here that this exterior angle is equal to the sum of two remote interior angles. This is one remote interior angle, and this is one interior angle. One is angle A, and that is angle B. So I will prove here ACD equal to what? Angle BAC plus ABC. This exterior angle is equal to sum of these two remote interior angles. So accordingly I have written here construction. For doing this construction, what I will do, from the point C is drawn parallel to BA. This I have construction I have done. Now I am doing the proof. Now you see BA parallel to C and AC meets them. AC meets them. So this is this angle BAC and angle ACE. These are alternate angles. These two alternate angles are equal. Similarly, another condition you see AB parallel to C. AB parallel to C and BD meets them. You see ABC and ECD. These are two corresponding angles. The two corresponding angles are equal. I represented them by 1 and 2. Then I added it. The right hand side added it. BAC plus ABC equal to AC plus ECD. Now BAC plus ABC equal to angle ACD. When I added these two angles ACE and ECD, I get this angle ACD. So this become ACD. So I have proved here ACD, exterior angle ACD equal to sum of the two remote interior angle. This is proved. Yes or no? Next I will prove this one. Prove that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You know this thing. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you see I have taken this triangle ABC. This concept you know it. In earlier classes you have done it, proved geometrically. Now I will prove it now geometrically. ABC is a triangle. I will show that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So I am assuming it. Let ABC is a triangle to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So construction you see from this point through this point A, EF is drawn parallel to BC. EF is drawn parallel to BC. Now proof EA parallel to BC. Now you see angle EAB equal to angle ABC. This is what alternate angle. Again you see EA parallel to BC and AC meets them. So EAC equal to what? ACB. This is correspond one is this is one alternate angle. This is one alternate angle. First one I have represented by 1. Second one I have represented by 2. This 1 plus 2. Similarly, the right hand side added. This left hand side added. So you see this part is what? EAB plus FAC equal to what? ABC plus ACB. So now you see EAB plus FAC equal to ABC plus ACB. Now you see that EAB, this angle, yes or no? Next is what? FAC, this angle. Now this angle is missing, no? BAC. If I insert this angle, this becomes a straight angle. EAF, this becomes a straight angle. So I am inserting both sides BAC, adding both sides BAC. This BAC I am adding. This is BAC, this BAC adding in the both side. So when I added BAC both side, this becomes a straight angle. And you see angle B comes here, angle C comes here, angle A comes here. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. This is proved. So I have proved that the interior angles sum of a triangle is 180 degree. Yes or no? These two theorems I have proved. Now I am doing the exercise. I have written the question from book. You see the book. From that book I have written here. Here the points given are what? Angle SPR equal to 135 degree and angle PQT equal to 110 degree. To find PRQ. Now from the book I have drawn the diagram. This angle is 105 degree, this angle is 135 degree, this angle is 110 degree. Now you see the figure. QPS, this is a straight angle, yes or no? So this angle is what? This angle plus this angle, linear pair, 180 degree. Angle QPR plus angle SPR. Now what is the value of QPR? QPR is, there is no value of QPR here. SPR is given, so I put it 135. So I am transposing this from left hand side to right hand side. I am getting the value of QPR as 45 degree. Yes or no? Now one thing another I have to find. What is this I have to find? PRQ I have to find. No. So PRQ what? Now now you see RPQ equal to this. Now PRQ I have to find. No. Now in this triangle, this is the exterior angle. In my first starting theorem I have discussed, no, exterior angle equal to sum of two remote interior angle. This is the exterior angle. The remote interior angle this plus this. Yes or no? So what happened? Exterior PQT equal to angle QPR plus angle PRQ. PRQ. Now you see PQT, it is given in the question that its value is 110, and this QPR I found 45 degree, and this I have to find out PRQ. Now transposing this, I am getting the value PRQ as 65 degree. Thus problem 1 is my solved. Yes or no? Now you see problem 2. Now question I have written from the book. The diagram also I have drawn here. Here the given points are what? Angle X is 62 degree. Angle XYZ is 54 degree. This is XYZ. And I have to find what? OZY and YOZ I have to find. Yes or no? Now in this given, what is given? YO and ZO are the bisector of angle XYZ and XZY. So since OY and OZ are the bisector, so angle XYO and OYZ, these two angles are equal. Similarly, OZ is the bisector of the angle Z, so angle what? XZO and OZY will be equal. So the points that I have written systematically from the question, the points that I have given, that are given. Now to find, what I have to find? OZY and YOZ, these things I have to find. Yes or no? Now you see in the triangle XYZ, the sum of triangle is 80 degree. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equal to 180 degree. We know it. Yes or no? Now you see what is the value of angle X? You see the diagram. What is the value of angle X? Is 62 degree, I think. Yes, this I have written 62. This value I have written 54. This value XZ XZY equal to 180 degree. Now you see this 54 plus 62, I am getting 116 plus angle XZY equal to 180 degree. Now XZY equal to 180 minus 160, so I am getting the value of this as 64 degree. Now already I told that this OY and OZ are the bisectors, so the two angles are what? Equal. These angles is what? OZY and OZX will be equal, and this the total angle is 64. As it is bisector, it will divide it equally. So each measure of each angle will be what? 32 degrees. So I got the value as 30 degrees. Similarly, another bisector for other bisector. For the other bisector, what? OYX. So OYX for that bisector also, the angle is divides into two parts, so its value becomes 27 degree. Now in the question I have to find the value of what? I have to find the value OZY YOZ. Next remains what? I have to find what? YOZ. YOZ I have to find. No. Now you see in the triangle OYZ. See the diagram. OYZ. This angle YOZ plus OYZ plus OZY equal to 180 degree. So I have written here The sum of three angle is 180 degree. Now its value is 27 degree, its value is 32 degree. I have calculated as above, and this angle YOZ, I have to find it, yes or no? So from that I am calculated the value of YOZ equal to what? 121 degree, yes or no? Now next one you see, I think you have understand. Here in my earlier class I have typed all the things in computer. Now I am, for my convenience, I am writing in a paper. So I will give the PDF of this with the link, so that it will not become difficult for writing, yes or no? I will give the PDF. This time I will give the PDF to you. It will be convenient for you for writing. Okay. Now you see next one. Next question. This in the figure, this AB parallel to D and angle BAC equal to 25 degree. And this is CD equal to 52. You have to find the value of DCE. Now you see, this is 30. What are the point given? What are the given here? I am writing from the question. AB parallel to D. This is 35 degree. This is 53 degree. I have to find DC. Now you see, this is 35 degree. This is 53 degree. This is given. Now you see, AB parallel to this D. Now you see, AE meets them. So this angle and this angle are what? Equal. What are this angle? Alternate angle. BAE equal to what? AEB. AED. Yes or no? So what is this value? AED equal to 35 degree. So I got the value of AED equal to 35 degree. Now you see, AED is a 35 degree. Now C is a point on the line A. So angle CED will be equal to what? 35 degrees. So I have written what? CD equal to 35 degree. Now you see, now from the triangle DC, this is the triangle DC. I have to find this angle, yes or no? DC, this angle I have to find. This angle I have to find. So you see, this angle I know. Sum of three angle is 180 degree. So from this I am substituting the values and transposing it. I am getting the value of as 180 minus 88. So it becomes how much? 92 degree. So I have calculated this one also. Yes or no? If you have any problem, you can ask me. I have done all the things nicely so that you can understand. Now you see question number 4. In this figure, this and this, PQ parallel to you see, PQ parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. PQ. This is in the figure. Lines PQ and RS intersected. PQ. This is PQ and this is RS intersected T. And PRT is this point, 40 degree. RPT is what? 95 degree. TSQ, what is the value of TSQ? 75 degree. I have to find the value of SQT. I have to find the value of SQT. This thing I have to find, yes or no? So what are the things given that I have written to find this SQT? Now you see, in the triangle PRT, this is the PRT angle. The sum of three angle is 180 degree. Angle P plus angle R plus angle T is 180 degree. So these two values are given. This I have written, and angle T. This, from this I am calculated the value of T is 45 degree. Now you see, angle T is 45 degree. Now this line and this line are parallel. PTR. Now you see, just wait. Angle T is 45 degree. PTR equal to what? QTS. This is vertically opposite angle. This two are vertically opposite angle. So what is the value of this angle will be same as this angle. We know that vertical opposite angles are equal. I have proved in my earlier class. So its value is become 45 degree. Now I have to calculate the value of SQT. Now in the triangle SQT, see SQT, sum of three angle is 180 degree. This angle plus this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. Its value is 35 degree. This is vertically opposite angle. I have calculated its value. So substituting this value, I getting the value of TPS. You see, I am writing here the sum of three angle is 180 degree. Substituting these two values plus angle SQT equal to 180 degree. Now SQT equal to 180 minus 120. So 120. So I am getting the value of SQT as 60 degree. Now I have completed the chapter. I have given you 2 assignment. You complete it. Okay. Thank you, students. Hoping you have understand.